Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to fix your PIN if it's no longer available on Windows 10 and 11. Whenever you try to log into your PC or laptop, you get an error message that something happened and your PIN isn't available. So what you have to do is you have to click this sign over here. And then it's going to give you this option of power. You have to click this option and click restart. It's going to fix this problem, but if the problem still persists, you have to click troubleshoot over here. And once you click troubleshoot, you have to choose advanced options over here. And in the advanced options, click command prompt. Here you have to type regedit and this will bring up your registry editor. You have to hit enter. The registry editor will be now here. You have to select Edge key local machine, click on it once, and from the top menu option click on file and then click on load Hive. You will be getting such kind of screen with System32. In case you don't have this, you can just go to your local disk C and then go to Windows, and then there you will find System32. Once you come to System32, you have to look for config and double click on config, and then you have to look for software and just select it and then click it on open. Now it will ask you the key name, so you have to name it M software and click on OK now, and then you have to click Edge key local machine and double click on M software. And then you have to look for the Microsoft folder. So look for Microsoft and double click on it. And then you have to look for Windows NT. So just scroll down until you find Windows NT. Once you get it, click on current version. And there you have to find for passwordless. Just scroll down until you find it, and you will find it in the P section here. Here is the passwordless option. Double click on it and then click on device. And then click on the right hand side, you will find this device passwordless build. Find this device passwordless build version. Okay, so you have to double click on it. This value data will be set to 2. You have to change it to 0. Once done, click OK. And now you can close it and close everything. And now click on continue. The system will now restart, and then this time it will come up with a sign in option where you can choose the password section. Now just enter your password and enjoy your computer logging in. So that's a process that you can follow to fix your PIN is no longer available. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.